Hello, friends. I am Lieutenant General Balbir Singh Sandhu, a soldier, sportsman, and a leader. Having spent almost 4 decades in the Indian Army, I have gone through all aspects of soldiering and leadership, and I have had the privilege of playing sports both at the national and international level. Army has been a way of life more than being a profession. I enjoyed every moment, and I held the appointment of Director General Supplies and Transport and Director General Information Technology before I retired in 2017. I look forward now to contributing towards the corporate world. I shall be talking today on living in an uncertain and difficult times and how to save your employees and your workforce in a productive manner while staying at home. For us in the Army, living in uncertain times is a way of life. You never know what the next task could be, how difficult it could be. And the first and the foremost thing that I'd like to say about handling such a situation is to treat this as just another minor crisis. And crisis, besides giving you some degree of danger, also offers you opportunities. And take this as such. In the Army, living in counterinsurgency areas in extremely difficult and frugal conditions becomes a new normal for us in the field area. I had the privilege of serving in Northeast for almost 10 years. Locations are tough. Places are difficult to live in. Facilities are very, very limited. Similarly, our friends who serve in Siachen Glacier, besides handling the enemy and the enemy fire, they tend to live in a place not more than 6 feet by 2-3 feet, without a bath for 3 months. People tend to lose weight. It is extremely, extremely difficult to even breathe. But people come back cheerful. People come back successful. Hence, there is a need to grab that opportunity in a crisis. In a lockdown, we must first make a timetable. Don't treat this as another lazy assignment, and we must follow the timetable, and the crux of issues is following the timetable. Have a look at the pending jobs, because now that you're not going to the office, you may be having as much work, you save the travel time. And pending jobs, which we've always been keeping it aside because of being busy with work, now is the time to do it. I did my thesis for the PhD. I've written about 4 articles for the Army journals, and it gives you a lot of pleasure and a lot of sense of satisfaction at the end of the day that you finish the work you have assigned yourself. Add on to that, in fact, there are a lot of opportunities to build skills. The future lies in information technology, in online jobs. This is the time for you to build those capabilities. Like the famous saying by Iqbal, खुदी को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले खुदा बंदे से ये खुद पूछे बता तेरी रजा क्या है. Help you achieve your goals. Thank you. In case you have any queries, please get in touch with me at the given email.